Welcome to another myForest tutorial. In this video, you'll learn what mapping backgrounds are and how to use them in myForest. Mapping backgrounds serve as a drawing template or background image. myForest offers several mapping backgrounds for you to choose from. Please note that all Ordnance Survey mapping backgrounds are only available to users with a paid plan. To learn more about paid plans, please watch that specific tutorial. Having launched myForest, you'll see that the right 2/3 of the screen contains the live view mapping. This will be, by default, a Google mapping background. To change the mapping background, click on the mapping background drop-down list found in the top of your screen. From the menu that appears, you can select the mapping background you wish to use. You are able to change this mapping background at any time, even in the middle of mapping and editing compartments, subcompartments, and features. You can use the zoom function in the bottom right corner to zoom in and out of your selected mapping background. To move the mapping background, simply click, drag, and drop to your desired view.